Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S9 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can remove Google search bar from home screen. All you need to do is hold your search bar and wait for the pop-up to show. When it does, select Remove on the right. So when I do that, as you can see, my search bar is gone. In order to restore it, hold your screen, click on Widgets at the bottom in the middle and look for Google app. When you find it, click on it, hold the search bar widget and place it wherever you wish to. Then tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!